I am Dauda Yusuf Kanu, one of the CEOs of Unimak Creative Writers. In Unimak Creative Writers, we have what we stand for. We seek what we stand for. And also, we try to inculcate the spirit of writing into individuals. We want to see how far we can impact society with the basic skills of writing. Now, I guess you might be wondering, what do you mean? What do I mean by the basic skills of writing? The basic skills of writing has to deal with a drama, a prose, or a poetry. This cuts across all the genres of literature. But for our blog and our websites, our key focus here, we want to see how far we can improve and empower the basic skills of writing in poetry and dramas as well. In our site, you will notice that our description stands for how far we can see writing becomes a pleasure and a desire in people's life. We want to see how far people can have the interest to write. Writing has become something that has way off our history, but you should understand that in every society we find ourselves, in any civilized and modernized society, there must be the necessity of writing, because this keeps our history alive.